Timmy, a genius inventor with a little too much confidence. Today, he's built something incredible, a time travel wristband. And who's he bragging to? His pet turtle, of course. But wait, Timmy hasn't tested it yet. He hits the button, and whoosh, a glowing portal swirls open. Timmy is pulled into the timeline. Timmy spirals through time. First stop, ancient Egypt. The pharaoh is not amused. Next, medieval times. A knight thinks Timmy's a wizard. Knight, on guard, strange traveler. Then, into the future. Timmy's device is messing with the robots. Time freezes. Turtle, Timmy, you're racing through time, but do you even know the rules? Now, the real challenge begins. A race through history, not just for speed, but for responsibility. Timmy zooms forward, making more mess. In dinosaur times, he feeds a baby T-Rex. In the Renaissance, he knocks over Da Vinci's painting. In the future, AI chaos again. Suddenly, there are too many Timmys. He's broken time itself. Welcome to a time paradox. Turtle, everything is connected, and now it's falling apart. To fix the future, Timmy must go back and make things right. In Egypt, he rewrites the pharaoh's decree. In the castle, he returns the knight's sword. In the future, he reboots the AI. One by one, time is restored, and the turtle wins the race. You're not just an ordinary turtle, are you? Back in his workshop, Timmy opens his eyes. Was it all a dream? Or was it real? The turtle munches lettuce. Subscribe to our channel and hit the hand thumb so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching.